Let's transform this fork from this to this. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we are continuing our discussion of the Weapon Tower 7 fork. In our last video, we looked at how it performed after 3 years of use without maintenance. Now, as promised, we're going to try to make it better by adding foam ring in the lower leg. I have the foam rings here ordered from Shopee Philippines. Link in the description below. Watch till the end. This will change your ride experience. To be honest, I'm also surprised that it worked as planned. The idea is from my experience from expensive forks that are way smoother. A thing that sets them apart from budget forks is the inclusion of the foam rings that maintains the lubrication of the stanchions. This is an experiment that I've been planning for so long, and I'm grateful to share the success with you. If you find value in my content, click like on this video. This will help to reach other bikers like us who might have the same problem with their forks. I am committed in providing this community with more value-adding contents. So if you subscribe to this channel, it would be life-changing. By the way, I bought 2 sizes of these foam rings. Now, I am really sure that I'm going to upgrade the fork of my other bike. It has a 32mm stanchions, 29er budget fork that is a stock part of the Saba Deck Carbon 29er. If you also have a budget fork, you will need this. So, I will leave the shop link in the description. Also share this good news to your friends. I'm Gian and I'll see you in the next video.